we're going to be making our first route. What is a route? Well, for the time being, it's just a way to get to a specific page. All HTTP requests are mapped with the help of a route file, which in this case is either web.php or api.php. We'll look at routing with api.php a little bit later on. Now that you have some background information, it's about time to create your first route. We'll pretend that we're creating a site for an extremely carnivorous organization. The first page that they want to see is a generic and vegetable cruelty page that returns a heading. So we'll create a route, and at its very basic, it accepts two arguments, the URI and a closure. So what does that look like? Accepts the URI location, which we're gonna name and vegetable cruelty, and it accepts a closure, which is just a function right there, and within this closure we're going to return something. So in the previous example right up here, the one that came shipped with Laravel itself, it returned this view, but you don't have to necessarily return this view. All we need to return in this case, according to the organization, is just a heading. So we'll just say, we can just pass HTML directly into here and just say return an H1 that says, and lettuce, cruelty, for example, eat more meat. And there we go. Now we've created this and vegetable cruelty route. So if we go back over here and we append this and hit refresh, we should go to that page. And there it is. That is our first route, and it actually returned and lettuce, cruelty, eat more meat. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go back to our index.blade.php. We're going to add a little break tag right there, and we'll just do a new link to that route, and we'll just say and vegetable cruelty, close it, save it. Now if we hit refresh, there it is, and vegetable cruelty, and now we can actually go to this page. So that was our first route. I feel obligated to say that no animals were harmed during the making of this route.